Hello and welcome to the Craft Bar. Tonight I have 3 cards in our Mother's Day series. These cards were created using the oval flip card by Creative Arts. So here's the first one. This is, oh, I love it, pearls and lace. This paper of pearls and then a real piece of lace with a satin rosette and a little bit of a rhinestone there. Ah, the red rose peeking over, and you pull it. Happy Mother's Day. And I like this die set because it allows this very quick fold card, and the die includes the corresponding center oval, a large oval, a smaller oval to frame inside it, the full size rectangle for the inside of the card, and the 2 pieces to cover both there and here. So in the die set, you get all of those pieces. And here my mom has just chosen one side. She's done both sizes of the oval, but only the large size on this one and the smaller size in the front. She did not put the 2 as a layer together. And that just, again, shows the versatility of the dies. And so the piece that would have been here, she decided she liked the blue. That's the first one. Here, love this beautiful, beautiful pink butterfly. And this is a great example of how the oval flip really charms when it comes apart. The mother of pearl wings on this beautiful pink butterfly. Look how it captures the light in the camera. These are real wire antenna and a real beaded body and pink retro paper with a bit of polka dots, a little bit of a floral pattern or a tile. Adds to that mixed media and the vintage charm with that brown inked edge. And inside, Happy Mother's Day. Butterflies just fly up and out. They take flight. And that pink paper. So it's a nice double-sided paper that has a border. And here, it really comes, it shines. This would be, I can't wait to see that opened up and displayed on the desk or on your counter someplace. And then, I think this is probably my favorite. This is my mid-century modern masterpiece. I love it because you have this wonderful vintage faded paper with the roses and got a bit of a film over it. It's been through something. It's aged. It's weathered. And that lovely stripe that could be tin on the back, it continues. And when you open it up, housewares reduced in clearance. It's so vintage, very mid-century. I love her. She's cleaning her sheet. She's fluffing, getting ready. So happy in her domesticity. Happy Mother's Day. There's a tongue-in-cheekness to this. The Fallout vibes are real here. I think this would be sent to some friends and probably include a little pithy cartoon of some sort as an extra gag. But a beautiful card. I love it. So 3 fun examples. Again, an A2 card, the oval flip die. Tell me if you've ever used a die like this or if you've done it by hand. I could not create this kind of oval shape without using a die like this one. This is where it was great. My mom was able to make these very quickly. She said these were fun to put together and that the die made it very easy for her. To put to use some scrap papers that she'd had in her stash. She just couldn't figure out a whole project for them, but these dies made it easy for her to really quickly lay it out and then bust that stash. So tell me if you've used something like that. Like and subscribe. We try to give you inspiration every Friday with one of our happy hour videos. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching tonight.